Welcome back everybody to the third part in this trading series for cryptocurrency. Today I will be covering candlestick formations and just normal candlesticks that you can use for both crypto and stocks, but the examples I'll be using are obviously going to be more catered to crypto. But just a quick overview on candlesticks for those who don't know what a candlestick is or how to even read candlesticks. I'll go through a quick education on that right now. So candlesticks, you're going to have two different candlesticks. You're going to have the green candlestick and the red candlestick. As you guys can see, this is all the information that you basically need for a candlestick. This body right now, this body, which is the big shaded area, that's going to be called the body. And then this on the top is going to be called the wick. So this big area is the body, this top and bottom small is the wick. You can get a lot of information from candlesticks, and it's effective to be able to know how to read the candlesticks. Now, as you guys know, you have a green and red candlesticks, and the wicks for both are going to stay the exact same. So the wick coming off of the body for the green and red candlestick both is going to represent the high of the day or whatever time frame you are on. So let's just stick with the day time frame, that way nobody gets confused. Obviously, if you switch to the week or the month or the hour time frame, the high and low will represent the high of the month or the high of the week or the high of the hour. So it all depends on the time frame you're at, but let's just stick with the daily time frame right now. So imagine we're looking at a chart with a daily time frame and we see a green candlestick just like this. Well, the body is going to be right here and the wick is going to be on the top, and the bottom is going to be that small thing coming off of the body. So the top of the candlestick's wick, this top of the wick, will be the high of the day. So you see a candlestick like this, the wick coming off the body going up, the top of that will be the high, the low of the wick will be the low. Likewise, for the red candlestick, the top of the wick will be the high of the day, the low of the wick will be the low of the day. Now the body for the green and the red candlestick is the only thing that will differ. Everything else will stay the same. So the wick will stay the same, but the body will change. So the body for the green candlesticks open will be the bottom of the body, right? So the green candlestick, because that means you gained in that day, you obviously increased price. So you opened, then went up and closed. So obviously it would make sense that the open is the bottom of the body and the close is the top, because you gained price in that day. The red candlestick, however, is inverted, which makes sense because you lost in that day, which means that the open would be the top of the candlestick and the close would be the bottom. So that's just basically how to read candlesticks. I hope that was informative and straightforward. Next video, I'll be covering chart patterns.